Tonight's the night. And it's going to happen again. Has to happen.
Yeah, turn me up. But yeah, I got a new mic. I think I need to go out more so I can record. I've been slacking. I haven't uploaded in like a month maybe. Oh yeah, you can see that lightning. If it rains, then I'm probably gonna go back home. It's gonna. So I don't know why I'm saying that. I hope not. Shit, poles pop. Pole pop. Pole pop. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, but we're gonna see how this mic acts. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But nah, we gonna go crazy. Post a lot. We gonna get this shit started. Oh, I hit my camera. Oh, hopefully this shit go good. Oh, I hope I didn't hit my camera too hard.
2 hours later.
Oh. Let's go. Come on. Come on, flame ass. Oh. Yo, it's so windy. I'm getting pushed. I hope. This mount better do its work. That's all I'm saying. Turn me up. It's a red. No. No. Come on. Come on. Come on. Turn green. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Why is it so windy? Hey, but if you guys are enjoying the videos, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll keep doing shit like this. What is wrong with my foot thing? It feels weird. Yeah. Where's the rock no more? Come on. Come on. Yeah, I don't trust this camera mount, so I'm just gonna relax. I don't know how to do like a durability test on this. The last thing I'd want is this shit to fall off. Hey, but last time I had my stuff, last time I posted before I crashed, I actually crashed like 2 times. So the first time I crashed, it's on my YouTube video, on my YouTube channel, so you guys can go check that out if you guys want. But yeah, I fixed it up, and then I went the day of to go test it out and stuff, because I got a new exhaust, new fairings, new handlebar, clip-ons, things like that. And I was going on this road, barely speeding up, and a guy starts creeping up. I was like, oh, he's probably gonna stop. No, he starts going more. So I was like, all right, he's gonna hit me, or I gotta hit my brakes. So when I hit my brakes, I think I panicked way too much. I grabbed my front brake, and you can kind of guess the rest. Like, as he creeped out, he stopped when he saw me. By that time, I already grabbed my front brake, and it threw me off my bike. And then, luckily, he ended up paying for it, so it was only like the fairings, and then like the handlebars, and then the rear sets. So he was nice enough to just pay for that, and yeah, it was nice of him to do that, because technically he didn't hit me, which is kind of absurd at the fact that it's his fault. He shouldn't have been doing that. So it really just threw things off. But yeah, and then I ended up fixing it again after he did that, and yeah, we're back. Well, when I came back, I had my camera, put it on the back of my bike. It's kind of speeding, obviously the speed limit, and it ended up falling off my bike. I went around town trying to look for it, and I could not find it. In the GoPro Max, the 360 Max, that one doesn't have GPS, so I can't even look it up or try to find it or anything, so it just sucked. It was a loss, and I kind of just had to suck it up, but yeah, we already know, we getting them races in. Are you gonna? Yeah, this shit feels weird, bro. Like, really weird. It's my foot peg, like, it keeps slipping. So, it's not too bad, I would say. I'd say it does, but really doesn't make a difference. But yeah. That G35. That pop. They go shebang, boy. Nah, but I was just trying to go for a little cruise tonight. Maybe I'll go record tomorrow too. You gotta love the G35, man. You gotta love the G35, man. This shit sound good. And we swerving. Oh yeah, you hear them pops, boy. Oh, I need to clean my visor. But yeah, we in Fort Collins right now. Fort Collins been around a while in Colorado, so it was nothing. Like, this town has been here probably for so long now. But yeah, this is probably like my first video where I'm actually talking. Like, and you guys can hear me. Like, I tried in my other videos, but you guys cannot hear me. That's what I realized in the videos. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I usually cruise around here, or I'll go to Denver to go to some meets or something. But I haven't been to some meets in a minute, so yeah. See, the only problem that I have with riding is people like this. I just hope that they can see me at times. It would suck. Lift up my... I can barely get it up, bro. And then when I do get it up, it goes too far and I smack my brake. And then that shit ain't good, cuz. That's all I gotta say. Look, watch. Lane split. Oh, you gotta love it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Oh wow, it's actually I expect these to die quick, because that's usually what GoPros are known for, is them dying super quick. Oh, I love riding late. Ooh. Oh, I think I know that. The Ducati. You know those crackle pops? This is what I love, right? Yeah. Dude, why does my pedal feel weird? Alright, S1K. That should look sexy. That's Dream bike right there. Stop right here. But yeah. We're just gonna pit stop real quick. You already know. Here's a bike. It's looking sexy. But yeah, I'll be back after I chill for a bit. We'll give it a little start. Oh yeah. Yeah. Gotta make sure everything's closed because I don't want to drop anything. Are we supposed to stop? Oh no. Look at these country boys. Look at the guitar. It's like a ukulele. A ukulele? I don't know how to say it. They got that shit put on though, ain't gonna lie. Gotta love to see it. Oh yeah. I love it when shit like this is just all clear. It looks so good. Gotta make sure all my shit's in there. Gotta make sure. Old ops. 12. Gotta love it. I need to get a mic because I'm pretty sure this one's a little static, but it could do just for the little comeback. Gotta love a motorcycle though, I ain't gonna lie. Hear that pop when it gets warm, that shit about pop, 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 pop. I gotta make sure not to yell because the mic is really close to me. Oh, I love doing the little jumps. Little jump. Sometimes I wish I lived in Denver, but at the same time, I really don't. Because the traffic, the people, all that you know what I'm saying? You got them bright lights. Oh, what are they doing? They're on the opposite side. Yeah, Mustang. Got a little stang. I could literally like jump on that if I, oh my gosh, the road. Come on. Why are you slowing down? What you trying to do? Race Tesla? What's the word? Nah, you ain't want to smoke. You ain't want to smoke. It's so slippery. Oh, he's picking his nose. Do you think he heard me? I think he heard me. I think he actually heard me. Oh my god, bro. Unless he just saw me seeing him pick his boogers. That's actually kind of funny. Oh, that's nasty as fuck. I need to chill on my chain. Cause I ain't gonna lie, it probably hasn't seen Loomba in a minute. Oh! I thought he did a wheelie and looped that. That's what it sounded like. Oh, I love the pops on the upshifts. Like, I'm having too much fun with this mic right now. Yeah. Downshift. Downshift. We moving. Like, do you guys ever get scared when you have like I say you have a backpack or a like satchel on or something? Don't you guys ever feel like your stuff keeps falling out? It's not even open. It's throwing me off. Come on. Oh! 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 I'm out. I'm doing too much. Oh, you hear that? And that pop, pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop. Can't really hear. Got headphones in. Alright. I'm gonna speed it up a little. We gotta get some action in this. Why are you slamming on your brake, buddy? Yeah, turn me up. Ooh! I'm nervous with my GoPro. I don't want it to just fly off. Oh, it feels so good, bro. It feels so good. After not being on it after a while, this makes it feel amazing. My headset. What am I on? Let's go. The only thing I don't like is this turn up here. Oh my god, see? This is what I'm talking about. Can't do it. Nah, it's just... I hope you guys can hear the downshifts. Oh yeah, it is raining. Oh, it's raining bad. What the? My clutch. What was that? Oh, I put on my clutch on accident. Oh, it's too windy. It's too windy. I can't give it that much throttle. It's way too windy. Oh my god. One more. Ah. What are you doing? Like this? That's why I like this bike. Twitchy. See? Oh! The front wheel was coming up! Nah, but if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe. It's Mother Young.